Now, before we get too far into this video, I want to make sure you're paying attention. No, I'm just kidding. But there will be several times that I ask you to comment below. Pay attention because it's important. It will help you. It will help me. So I'll start off with this one. It did not come for Christmas. This was one of my son's birthday presents, and I kind of got hung up on doing the Dragon Ball Mecha kits, and I have not had a chance to do this. So there will be an unboxing video on this, and a partial assembly video, including my son Liam, and some of what I'm about to show you. I'm sorry, that sounded ridiculous. Some of what I'm about to show you is also his Christmas presents. So I'm going to put those together. He's still a little young for those, but he has got the itch, and that is what matters. But yeah, so there'll be an assembly video on this to come. So starting off with the Gunpla kits, we got the Astaroth High Grade. I'm kind of excited about this one. We'll kind of pull this one out real quick. I've not taken anything out of plastic. What is going on? Oh, hold please. So this will be my first IBO kit. For those of you who don't know, it's Iron Blooded Orphans. I've not watched this series. I've not done anything like that. And this will be my first ever high grade, at least that I remember anyway. I think I might have done a high grade heavy arms about 15 years ago, 20 years ago, something like that. So yeah, but I'm kind of excited because a lot of these have the hose barbs on them that is IBO classics. And there's not a whole lot of runners, which I figured would be in typical high grade fashion. But yeah, kind of go through this one real quick. I don't want to keep this video too long. We'll actually do a video on this, but I'm excited. So that is kit number one. It's a Zaku. Zaku 2. I've never done a Zaku. They look awesome, and I've always wanted to do one. So kudos to my fiance for getting me this. This is epic. Oh. So you guys know that I built the Banshee Norn in Destroy mode in the SD version, right? So I get to build a high grade version of it, and this thing is massive. It's a big box. Even my real grades didn't have this thick of a box. But look at this. Look at the amount of runners you get. Just massive, massive loveliness. I love it. I'm so excited. Look at this. It's still coming. Yes, it has stickers. I'm going to see if I can find the decals for it, but there's really not a whole lot of stickers, and these are mostly the foil edge stickers, so I may end up getting away with using those. I don't know. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think I should do. Do you think I should just keep it a straight build, or do you think I should find the decals and custom paint this? I'm kind of excited. I don't know if I like the gray blue or the black blue gray, whatever this color is for the plastic. I think I want to go more of a blue tint. I'm excited. I'm super excited. I looked at this for so long that my fiance even asked me if there was something wrong. She thought maybe something was missing with it. It was just because I was so taken aback by this. So let's get on to kit number 4. Now we're getting into the smaller kits, and we're kind of mixing it up with what is my son's and what is mine. So my fiance ordered this from Japan. It came a little late, and I posted up on Instagram and Facebook that I just got this in. I'm kind of excited about it because, as you know, I did the Banshee Norn in the Destroy mode SD, and now I have the regular Unicorn Gundam. And she freaked out because, you know, she pays attention to this stuff, and she doesn't pay attention to this stuff. Because I did the Banshee Norn in the white, she kind of freaked out and thought that I had doubles, which in modeling doesn't matter because you can always do something different with the same kit. So with this one, does anyone want to see it in the full customized fashion using the old airbrush? Because I'm dying to use this thing. Or do you want me to just do an out-of-box build on this and, you know, do all the stickers? Or one better. So should I do half of the Gundam with stickers and painting out of the box how it says to? and the other half fully painted. Like, leave the white how it is, whatnot, but like all these little details, paint them in instead of, or make them a specific color. Instead of using the stickers that are supplied, actually paint in all of this. So one side would be stickers, and that would be tricky with this because I don't know if I can be able to do that with the lens. I may do one front sticker and one back paint, I don't know. But drop a comment below and tell me what you think I should do, because I'm kind of stumped on this one and I want your guys' help. And boom, this one's taped as well, so let's knock that out real quick. So to be honest, I don't remember which one was mine or which ones were mine, because my son got 2 and I got 2. I don't remember which ones were which. So I'm not worried about it, because they'll all end up in his room, and I'm going to end up doing a huge diorama for all of these. I think it'll be awesome. I'm so excited. So this one is issue number 1 or volume number 1, whatever. It's Bulma's Capsule number 9 motorcycle. It looks like it has Bulma on there with a young Goku. And Bandai fashion, it is highly detailed. But the cool thing about this one is, I don't know how she lucked out. This is a special edition. This was the, what do they say? It says first run limited. This thing is really cool because it gives info about it, if you can read Japanese, about all of the different kits and all of that stuff. Shows you the markings that are supposed to go on it, which is really neat. This is just a really, really awesome book, and I'm kind of excited about this. I didn't mean to grab this one out first, just coincidentally it was number 1, but I'm really, really excited that this is a first run limited. It's pretty cool. So this one is going to get put together, and this booklet is probably going to be hung up with all of them. And boom, we've got this one. It's Lunch's one-wheel motorcycle. Now, for those who have never watched Dragon Ball, I only watched a few episodes of it, but these are all from the original Dragon Ball series that started in, I think it was written in the 70s maybe. But the character on this is a little bit bigger, much bigger hair, but it is a single character instead of a dual or triple. But yes, I'm so excited. So let's speed this along and I'll show you the other 2 kits. Alright, so we've got number 4. This one's still in the cellophane. I'm going to leave it in the cellophane until it's time to prime it and whatnot. But this one is Son Goku's Jet Buggy. This is number 4. And something I didn't notice, but when you line all the boxes up, I found that picture online. It tells you the name of what it is, but it shows you what you're building. And then when you line them up all together, so like, let's go here. So this one goes here. There's number 6 that I don't have. It does just like on Dragon Ball's volumes, their DVDs and such. You get basically one streamlined thing. And I think that's what I may want to do, replicate this in the diorama. I think it'll just be cool. Because it seems that everybody is either looking to the side or looking back. Goku's looking terrified there. But I am super, super excited to do all these and create the diorama and get this thing going. So let me take these out and we'll try and go over anything that I missed. Well, everyone, that is it for this video. So I want you, I know I've asked a lot in the comment section, so remember, trying to figure out what to do with this guy, what you want me to do with it, what you think I should do with it. What else? Oh, the Banshee, the high-grade Banshee Norn. I want to see what you guys want to do with that, whether I should leave it box stock or if I should paint it. And 3, and this will be the final one, which kit out of the ones that you saw should I build first? Which one do you want to see? Leaving this up to you. Whatever it is will be the next video that I do. Now, mind you, I still have to finish up my non-metallic metal Copper Dragon, which is priority because that is a commission build. Brain's not working. So that'll be finished up soon. I did base coat that in black. I will do a video on basing this little girl. But after that, what is the next video you want to see? Do you want to see me show you how to use the brush cleaner, which is going to be lame and boring and nobody wants to see it, but if you do, I will do it for you because I love you all. Or do you want me to do any of the Dragon Ball kits? So you've got Zaku 2, which I am going to custom paint because why not? It's a Zaku. We've got the Astaroth. That looks pretty neat. We've got, which mind you wasn't a Christmas gift, but the Star Wars 3-pack. We've got this little guy. Or any of these. We move these out of the way. Put some back. We've got these 4 to mess with. So I want you to comment below and tell me which one, and the one with the most comments will be the one that I do after my commission stuff. But it will be, and I can go ahead and start on it because I'm excited because I got an airbrush. It may be a cheaper model, but by God, I'm going to put use to this thing, and it's eventually going to wear itself out because I'm going to use it so much because I'm so excited because I'm tired of using rattle cans. So, remember, let me know in the comments below which one you want me to do. That is all for this video. Remember, if you'd like to see more awesome content like this, but even better, go to my Patreon. It's patreon.com/NotSoAverageBuilder. It helps me out. Also, there are affiliate links down in the description below. If you click on those and you purchase whatever that item is through that link, I get a monetary kickback. So every little bit helps me to progress forward in this. So then I can get better airbrushes, I can get more unique paint styles, I can get more unique kits. Because remember, all of these have been smaller kits. I want to do a master grade, but it is just not in the budget yet. It will be. It will be. It might take years, but with your help, I could get there sooner. So, that is it for now. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, 300 subscriber giveaway. Once we get to 300, then I will be doing a giveaway of the entire unopened Dragon Ball Mecha collection. I don't know if you're excited about this, but I'm super excited about this. That is what I'm going to do. So that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.